Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. It's Thursday, the 4th of February. Only 10 days to Valentine's Day.
Yes.
We've done Mum and Dad's shopping for them this morning. Ian's come for a ride out.
I need to get out of the house.
He does need to get out of the house. But also, I've picked up spectacles ×2. So these are the other ones. These are the green ones.
They're very nice.
They are very nice. So that's it. I am now fully decked out with replacement glasses.
Do you know you look like Matt Bomer with those on?
With your eyes really screwed shut.
Tight.
Yeah. So Mr. Bentley's in the back. He's going to go see his grandma and granddad. But at the moment he's sparked out, fast asleep because it's warm in the car. All the snow of the previous week has disappeared overnight. We've had rain overnight, and it's cleared, I'd say, 95% of all the snow on the low-lying regions, obviously. Up on Phil's and the Pennines and such, it'll probably still be there. But yeah, so we're taking shopping down to Mum now, and then hopefully we'll be back for lunch. Is he struggling behind?
He is.
So, I've just been down to the post office to do website orders and that kind of stuff. So everything's gone, everything's winging its way around the world. But we had a little bit of excitement this morning. We were both sat working just around about lunchtime on the computers, and Mr. Bentley came running upstairs and into our little office and was kind of agitated.
And then the smoke alarm went off.
And then, yes, the smoke alarms went off. So of course we dashed downstairs to find out what was going on, and then Ian suddenly remembered yes, he'd put some eggs on to boil to make egg mayonnaise sandwiches.
I thought it'll only be 2 minutes upstairs.
And completely forgot that they were on.
Half an hour later.
So, Mr. Bentley's a very good guard dog who came up to warn us of the impending danger.
And they went bang in the kitchen.
And 2, at least we know the smoke alarms work.
Yeah, they've got egg on the ceiling now.
So, just got back home, and I've just noticed in the front garden that all my daffodils and tulips that I planted last year are all starting to come up. Yay! So all around there, with my finger so it doesn't, tulips there, all my daffs all through there, some big ones coming up through there, look, and then there, and look at the size of those ones. Absolutely fantastic, can't wait. Which means spring's just around the corner. Yes! Oh, I've seen it all now.
We're having a snuggle.
Just had a big lunch.
He's having a snuggle, Daddy. Look at that little tummy. Look at that little tummy.
Oh, look.
Oh, where you going?
Honestly, words fail me sometimes.
Oh, hang on. Hang on. Says, don't look, I'm shy.
Yeah, as if. I don't know who's worse, you or him.
Me.
So it's Sunday and it's about 3:30 and I'm taking Mr. Bentley out today because Ian's not feeling so well. So I offered to do the walk-in today. So I did it this morning about 9:30 and then we're out again for the longer walk this afternoon. But it's had a restful day. Ian, that is, not Mr. Bentley. He's not done much, which is good. So he's just been chilling today, which is what you're supposed to do on a Sunday, isn't it? Ready? Cross over then. This way. Good boy. He knows where he's going. What am I saying?
Oh, Bentley's gone to the cupboard and scratched the cupboard for a treat. However, he's actually gone into the cupboard next to the treat cupboard and he's now looking through all the cleaning products. Unless he wants to do a bit of cleaning.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Is it that one that you should have had? Is that the one you needed?
We are just having a good look.
Tell me then. Tell me. Which one do you want? Tell me. Tell me. Which one?
What's he having, Daddy? Show us before you give him.
Piece of dried chicken.
Oh.
Go on then.
And they say dogs can't talk. This one can.
Absolutely. We've decided to be lazy for dinner this evening. Ian's just been down to our local fish and chip shop. Well, I say fish and chip shop. I think it's going to be renamed now to the whale and chip shop. Just look at this. So, that's a portion of chips, as we call them here in the UK. That's my hand. Huge, huge, huge pile. And that's the fish.
Orca.
Yes, doesn't necessarily look that big until you actually put it on the plate in context.
Put your hand next to it.
Well, I just did do, but I'll put it on the plate so you can get it in context. Okay, so standard sized dinner plate, which is approximately what, 12 inches across?
Yeah.
Yep, and the fish is hanging over the sides. What?
Hang on, let's get the tape measure out. Okay, so the fish is 15 inches by 5.5.
Ridiculous. And I'm supposed to eat all that on my own.
And the chips.
I was going to say, I'm not going to be eating it all on my own, am I?
No.
Am I? Mush. What do you reckon? So it's Wednesday and the sun's out. It's been snowing on and off for the past couple of days, but it's not really took. We have patches of snow all over the place, but it's melted. The roads are completely clear and dry. You'd never know they'd had any snow on them, but there's little drifts and patches of snow in the shade and up against walls and that kind of thing. It's quite pretty actually, and like I said, the sun's out. It's a beautiful bright sunny morning, but it's -1. So there's a real nip in the air. I've come out, I've done all of the post, all the website orders for myself and for Ian. What you can do, he launched his Junk Journal ephemera kits last night on his Steampunk Tuesday video, and he's done rather well with those. Very, very pleased with the take up and the interest on those sets that he's released. I've got 4 sets as well, completely different to Ian's, completely different themes and images and that kind of stuff that he's done. Mine are completely different, but I've not released mine yet, because obviously I didn't want to release all of them together at the same time. But I've got 4 sets as well, but I'll do mine probably next week. So you'll just have to wait for mine. But yeah, so it's been a busy day today, this morning. Busy on the computer. I've been doing a few bits and pieces, catching up on emails and stuff, and doing a bit of banking as well. I've had to pay some cash into my bank account, just to cover a few bills, etc, etc, blah blah blah, domestic stuff which you're not really interested in. So yeah, I'm just on my way now down to the supermarket. It's Valentine's Day in a couple of days. I've already got him a little present, but I need just to sort out a few little extra sweet treats, if you know what I mean. And also I need to pick up some chicken breasts, some more mushrooms and some carrots. Shopping for Mum tomorrow isn't going to happen, mainly because they're coming over to us for the weekend. So with it being Valentine's weekend, we thought it'd be nice for them to come over. So that's what we're doing. So I'll be picking Mum up on Friday morning, but more of that next week. So yes, so we're shopping. Hello.
Oh, hello. I am packing my orders from Tuesday. I had a fantastic take-up from the new product showcase I did on Tuesday. These are all the metal corners that I had on. I'm just packing them all in the little bags. They're the scrolly ones and they're the vintagey ones. So I'm just packing them all up ready for my orders. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant take-up. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody so much.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.